Do you need a short and informative video about the scene window in the CANape Option Driver Assistance? Then you made the right choice by clicking on this video. We will get started right away. Hello, I'm Katharina, and today I will show you all the details of the scene window. Before we start, please be aware the shown features are available with the CANape Option Driver Assistance license only. In a few minutes, you will know how to get started. In the scene window, driving scenarios are visualized in 2D and 3D space using relative position data from various perspectives. While basic GFX objects can be used in all ADAS windows, specialized objects such as point clouds or CAD models differ from the standard portfolio of GFX object types. They are scene-specific and can therefore only be visualized in the scene window. We can view a visualized driving scene from many different angles, including the vehicle's perspective and the area of interest. These can also be changed with the available hotkeys. We can set and save our own camera positions, as well as adjust them using custom keyboard shortcuts. For example, V for a custom lowered bird's eye view. The scene window also offers various navigation options in addition to the 3D display. Click and hold the left and right mouse buttons to move the perspective or rotate the view. With these two buttons, we can easily check the distance or angles between the objects we have visualized within the scene window by clicking the concerning points. To see the source information of a GFX object, which is displayed in the scene window, right-click on the object and select it. The same process applies to the collection of objects when right-clicking on an object in the ADAS Explorer and selecting Show Data. Now we open a second scene window, in which we visualize all SmartCam objects in bird's eye view. Use the shortcut Ctrl+1 for bird's eye view and search for SmartCam in the ADAS Explorer. Select all the results in the new scene window and check them. Done! You can now see all SmartCam objects in the new scene window. It's that simple. Lastly, let's look at the scene settings. Here you can configure the grid and the background color of the window individually. You can also configure the grid as a spherical grid here. That's it for now. Do you have any questions about the scene window? Feel free to contact us. I also recommend watching our other CANape Option Driver Assistance videos. See you soon! By the way, have you subscribed to our Vector Tech tutorial channel yet? If you activate the bell, you will instantly see new cool tutorials for free. Oh, there are point clouds on the horizon. Good that I have my anti-pixel umbrella with me. Time to go.